Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is a complete disaster clean with me. I'm filming this on a Monday and nothing gets done over the weekend, so Mondays are always the messiest days. So I do need to whiz round and try and just get my house looking a lot more put together, ready for the day and nice and fresh. And the first thing I'm going to be doing is cleaning out Cinnabon's playpen, just so I know that he's taken care of, he's got everything he needs and everything is nice and clean. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean that all out and get it ready for the day.
It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt.
So once everything's been cleaned out, I'm going to go in using the Sephora for Pets. This is amazing. It smells really fresh and beautiful, and it just makes sure everything is disinfected and clean, ready for the day. So I haven't got to worry about any unwanted odours or anything like that. My house still smells completely clean and fresh, even having an indoor bunny that just roams free all day. So I'm going to go in cleaning the floor of the playpen as well as the litter tray, just to make it all nice, disinfected and ready for the day, before I can go ahead and refill it and just get everything ready for him so he's got everything he needs.
But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before.
So once all that's done, I'm just going to go around the living room and give it a good tidy up, putting everything back where it belongs. As you can see, everything is just being shoved onto the sofa at the moment. Because of the rabbit jumping around the floor, we don't want it chewing anything, so everything just literally gets dumped on the sofa. So I'm just going to go around and make it look a little bit more put together, a lot more neater and ready for the day.
She will never know, no, no. Never know, no, no. She will never know, no, no. Never know, no, no. She'll never know.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly.
Once everything's been tidied away, I'm going to go in with my corded vax hoover just to hoover away all of the hay, because I made such a mess cleaning it out this morning. And because I have to do it so many times throughout the day as well, I don't like using my cordless hoover for this, just because I worry about getting it clogged up and ruining it with the amount of hay that I have to hoover. So this hoover is perfect for it. So I'm just going to go around, give everywhere a quick hoover up, just to make sure that there's no hay anywhere, and so I can then crack on with the kitchen.
Queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be
So I actually can't believe how much washing up I had on this day. I'm not even sure how it happened. It just ended up piling up without me even realising. So I'm just going to go in, get all of that done and put away and clean down the sides so I can finally get my kitchen back.
I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
There will be a time when you and me finally can talk. If you speak now, your words will only tear us apart. I pray you'll find a way to mend your broken heart. Yeah, you can show me a new place to start. And you decide if you wanna play pretend. And you decide if you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me You wanna see me again. There are some thoughts I can't avoid. I try to fight them all.
So once I'd finished the washing up and I'd decluttered all the sides and everything was nice and tidy, I went in with the Flash multi-purpose spray just to wipe down the sides and the hob, just to make sure it was all nice and disinfected, ready for the day. And it smells beautiful as well, and you know that I'm a sucker for a good fragrance, so I'm obsessed with this one at the moment. I really need to try and switch it up a little bit, but I've just been using this constantly because it smells lush. So I'm just going to go over the hob and the sides with it and just make everything nice and clean.
And you decide if you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you.
Having a clean kitchen is literally like having a weight taken off my shoulders. I just love having a clean kitchen. It gets me set for the rest of the day. So now I've just got to sort the washing out, and there's not too much to actually get washed. I did do it a couple of days ago. I've just got to go back and fold it all and iron it all and get it all put away.
Even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep.
I really hope that you're enjoying today's video so far. If it is giving you all the motivation, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel for lots more cleaner motivation, decluttering and organisation videos every single week, because I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. So go ahead just by clicking the subscribe button down below.
You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you try to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. Don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight, didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never heard. All I wanted was to be loved. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. You will find a way. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the.
Thank you so much for watching today's Clean With Me. I really hope you have enjoyed it and you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and I'll see you back here in the next one.